Hi, we're LABFRESH, creators of the most advanced shirts, t-shirts and polos, launched right here on Kickstarter.
After shipping our stain and odor repellent products to fresh men in 98 countries, we thought it was time to venture into an equally important part of the male body, the bottom. These are not your average Kickstarter pants. We believe how well it looks is just as important as how well it performs. We designed them to match the most premium and luxurious pants in the market. Swiss fabric, American cotton and minimalist Danish design. Made by happy craftsmen right here in Europe.
These pants are engineered to make you the best dressed guy in the office, without compromising on comfort and performance. No matter what obstacles come your way, setting new records, reaching new heights, with LABFRESH you will reach the finish line looking fresh and smelling even fresher.
So what's the secret? It's simple. They're stain repellent, anti-bacterial, wrinkle-free, stretchy and made in a perfect fit.
We call the technology Fresh Core. By adding protective layers to the cotton fiber, it's possible to repel stains from red wine, coffee and beer. We also added the silver treatment to the yarn, which kills 99.9% of all bacteria. And no bacteria means no smell. All treatments are invisible and blue sign certified, so there's no way the human eye can tell that these pants are special. Until you realize you've been wearing them for 2 weeks straight. So how do we test it? Well, we work with the best labs in Europe, but we take it further than that. We literally force the entire team to live in the products, sleep in them, work out in them, wearing them non-stop for 20 days.
Fashion is a dirty game, but not when you work at LABFRESH. Technology is nothing without the perfect fit. So we added an invisible elastic waistband, stretch fabric and extra lining to easily increase the length. We are so confident we even offer you a perfect fit guarantee. And the fabric is as soft as my puppy.
Not all heroes wear capes, some wear lab coats. And we work with the best of them in Switzerland and Portugal.
We have a simple vision, to create pants that will last forever. By creating pants that you can wear more and wash less, we are the opposite of fast fashion. Because true sustainability is where you can wear your garments forever instead of buying new things all the time. So join our journey to clean up the fashion industry and make your life easier in the process. Please back our campaign today.
It's good? Yeah. Meisha is against me. We call the technology fresh.
All made by heavy craftsmen right here in Europe.
Last part you said made by heavy, man.
Heavy. Hi, we are the creators of LABFRESH and we have, sorry. Hi, we're LABFRESH.
Wait, no, sorry, my mouth was wrong. Go again.
Hi,